In this video, we will show how to use the label printing functionality in PoCo's UPS shipping app. First, you need to make sure that in the account settings, you're using My Own Account and you enter your client ID, client password, and account number. We'll have a video on how to get those credentials. Then you can go to the label printing tab and set your defaults. You want to make sure that everything is filled here. You can also change those settings in the actual app, in the actual label generation page as well. To get to the label generation page, you want to select the second option on the UPS shipping and label printing menu option. This page will open a list of all your orders, and you can filter to show all orders or just orders placed with the UPS app. We can also, just like in the Wix interface, see a preview of the products that were in each shipment and click on Prepare Shipment in order to start the process. Over here on the left, we will see a breakdown of all the items, including their weight and their quantities, the total of the order, and the amount of shipping. On the right side, we will see a preview of all the available shipping options and their price, in case you want to change a shipping option or choose a cheaper one. In the packaging settings, you'll be able to also change your weight, insurance, description of package, add another package if you need to, or delete one, and you can even add box dimensions. If you're using boxes in odd shapes, that will give you a more accurate rate. You can also change to flat rate shipping. If that suits your needs, it can offer a cheaper and sometimes even faster rates. Finally, you can change the shipping information both for the shipper and the shipping destination. Select a label format from the formats that UPS offers, and you can decide to mark the order as fulfilled after generating the label. Finally, click the Generate Label button, and a new label will be generated. If there are any errors, you will see them on the screen like we did. In our case, the shipper information, the phone number was not long enough. I'm going to add another number here. Click Save and click Generate Label again. The shipment was successfully created. We can see the label here. We can download it, print it, and also void it if we need to. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. There is a button on the right top side of the screen.